Hey guys, Ken from Veteran Screen Printing. Today we're going to go over a quick tip when you have a screen with a whole bunch of pinholes. So stay tuned after the intro. We're going to show you our quick tip on how we handle this. Alright guys, so we're going to go over our quick tip on how we handle pinholes. Now, if you're doing a small run, a little piece of tape, cool. But if you're doing a massive run, a little piece of tape, it's not that great to hold up when you're doing a long run of, say, maybe 50 or plus shirts. So we're going to show you how to do it. But first, we're going to print some film, burn a screen, and actually have some pinholes. So as you guys can see, hopefully, we are going to print a American flag, and we actually put a couple black dots on the side so we can imitate pinholes. So we just send it over to our Canon, and if you guys have not purchased this Canon, it's a Canon IX6820 Pixma. Dude, totally worth it. I have over there the Epson 1430, and I'll tell you, hands down, this Canon right here is the best printer I've had ever. It has an all black ink setup, so if you're tired of, if you have say the new Epson, I can't remember what model, but they quit making an all black system for it, so you actually have to buy ink cartridges every single time for that printer. You can't just do an all bulk ink setup. With the Canon, you can. So we have an all black setup inside this Canon with refillable cartridges. Hands down the best ever. And not just that, from what I've been told, Separation Studio is actually going to have this part of the printers that can do Separation Studio. So big plus. They're about 250 bucks. If you haven't picked one up, I recommend it. Down in the description below, you guys can actually find our link that where we got it from Amazon, so you know it's going to come out quick. But again, yeah, if you haven't bought one, head down to the description and pick one up. And if you haven't, hit that thumbs up. Share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Alright, looks like we got a couple pinholes on the right. So let's go burn the screen. We've already coated a 160 mesh using 1-in-1, which means coated one side on each, on both sides of the screen. So we got our screen, and we're using for our emotion, we're using the Chromatech WR. Best emotion around. But first, let's burn this and get this going. Alright guys, I'm not going to tell you about this setup, as you guys already should know. If you've watched our previous video, this is our DIY exposure unit. I'm not going to line it up straight or anything. I'm going to take my clear glass. Alright, this glass, you can actually get it, you kind of see the reflection. You can get this at Home Depot. It's pre-cut. It's not UV block, so you can actually push UV through, which is what you need. So I normally just set it down, and we're going to burn this for 27 seconds, which is what my exposure time is. And if you don't know yours, we have a video for that too, so check that out. So let's get this going. We're going to do a 26 seconds on this. And again guys, if you guys haven't seen this video, you can make this exposure unit for under $55, and that's including your black light. Alright, the wood, couple, 2x4, cut down some screws, black light. Alright, it's done. Let's take it to the wash booth. Alright guys, we're going to wash it out real quick. And we'll show you the pinholes when we're done. Alright guys, there you guys go. Take a look. Pinholes right there, and right there. We're going to throw this in our dry box right now. And it'll be dry in about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to show you guys, so stay tuned, how we fix this without, without messing up the screen. And then also, so you can do big runs, because using tape, once you get going to say 50 runs, that's not gonna hold up. So I'll show you what we do. So we're gonna throw it in the dry box and be back in 15 minutes. All right guys, so just pulled the screen out. It's completely dry. And now time to show you what we do instead of put in a little piece of tape. When we're doing long runs, that little piece of tape's not going to hold up. So we're going to show you what we do here at our shop. See this? This is a container, like a ketchup, mustard, at a local restaurant, right? Well, take off the cap, fill it, make it black first, fill a little bit of motion, right? Put it on your finger instead of going in your whole bucket, and you're just gonna dab it. See that? You're just gonna dab it, and you're gonna cover them. You can even, instead of using your finger, you can put a little bit over the hole. Grab a Q-tip, right? Now I use my finger and I kind of spread it out a little bit like that, so I don't have a huge glob. And then what I do is burn the screen one more time, put it in the dryer, and we're done. That's how we fill pinholes. If you guys like this video, please like it, please share it, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But until next time, have fun, be safe.